In this tutorial, we are going to create a fully functioning digital clock. Let's take a look at the finished results so you know what you will be making. The digital clock has almost the same controls as the analog. You can set the start time using these custom properties, and when you play the animation, the clock starts ticking. And just like with the analog clock, you can move the entire clock by moving the empty. The speed controls works a bit differently in this version though. Here you don't have to worry about the current frame rate. Instead, a value of 1 is always real time. A value of 2 makes it go twice as fast, and a value of 0.5 makes it half as fast. Much easier to understand. But other than that, the only major difference with the digital clock is that it has a different way of displaying the time. Let's set the start time to 23:59:56, right before everything becomes 0 again, just to see what it looks like. Just like a real digital clock. So, let's get started.